Gologin, your digital disguise kit. Yo, 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 we live in a digital world, right? Everything we do is online, from shopping to socializing and even working. But sometimes that world wants to know a little too much about us. Our data, our habits, our preferences, it's all out there. That's where Gologin comes in, fam. It's your shield, your protector in this vast digital landscape. It's like a digital disguise kit for your online life. Imagine being able to surf the web without leaving a trace. Think Clark Kent stepping into a phone booth, but instead of a superhero, you become anonymous. No one can track you. Gologin lets you create different online identities, each with its own fingerprint. We'll get to that later. It's like having a new persona for every task. It's like having multiple passports for the internet. You can switch between them effortlessly. So whether you're a marketer managing multiple accounts, trying to keep your work and personal life separate, a researcher needing access to geo-blocked content, breaking through those digital barriers, or just someone who values their privacy, wanting to keep your online activities to yourself, Gologin is your new best friend. It's the tool you didn't know you needed, but once you have it, you won't want to go online without it. The need for online anonymity. Let's be real, people. Websites track everything these days. They know what you click on, what you buy, even what kind of cat videos you watch. Don't judge, we all have our guilty pleasures. Gologin helps you take back control. It's like those incognito windows, but on steroids. With Gologin, you can browse the web without leaving a trail of breadcrumbs for every corporation and their mother to follow. Plus, it helps you bypass those pesky geo-restrictions. Want to watch a show that's only available in another country? Gologin says, no problem, fam. All right, let's talk proxies. Think of a proxy as your online disguise. It masks your real IP address, your computer's home address on the internet, and makes it look like you're browsing from somewhere else. Gologin gives you access to a whole bunch of proxies all over the world. So, one minute you can be sipping virtual tea in a London internet cafe, and the next you're hanging out in a New York coffee shop, digitally speaking, of course. It's like teleportation, but for your online self. Now let's talk about profiles. In Gologin, each profile is like a separate online identity. You can give them different names, email addresses, even birthdays. It's like creating a whole squad of internet avatars, each with its own unique traits. Why would you need multiple profiles, you ask? Well, maybe you're a social media manager handling multiple accounts, or maybe you're a gamer who wants to dominate leaderboards with different characters. Whatever your reason, Gologin makes it easy to juggle all those online personas without breaking a sweat. Section 5. Browser fingerprinting, blending in with the crowd. Here's where things get a little technical, but stay with me. Browser fingerprinting is a method used by websites to collect information about your browser and device settings. Every time you visit a website, your browser sends a bunch of information about itself, your operating system, your screen resolution, and even the fonts you have installed. This data might seem harmless, but when combined, it creates a unique fingerprint that can be used to identify and track you across the web. This is your browser fingerprint, and websites can use it to track you, even if you're using a proxy or VPN. It's like leaving a digital trail wherever you go. But fear not, my friends, there are ways to protect yourself from this kind of tracking. Gologin has got your back. This software helps you stay anonymous by masking your real browser fingerprint. It replaces your unique fingerprint with a generic one, making you look like just another face in the digital crowd. This way, you blend in and become much harder to track. It's like giving your browser a pair of sunglasses and a fake mustache. With Gologin, you can browse the internet with confidence, knowing your privacy is protected. So next time you're online, remember that you don't have to stand out. With the right tools, you can blend in with the crowd and keep your digital footprint to a minimum. Stay safe, stay anonymous, and happy browsing. Section 6. Multi-account management, the juggling act made easy. Remember those multiple profiles we talked about earlier? Gologin makes managing them an absolute breeze. You can switch between profiles with just a few clicks, no need to log in and out every single time. It's like having a revolving door for your online identities. And the best part, each profile gets its own dedicated browser environment, so your cookies, browsing history, and other data are kept separate. No more accidentally liking your ex's new post from your work account. Section 7, security first, keeping your data safe. Okay, let's talk security. We all know the internet can be a scary place, full of hackers and scammers just waiting to steal your precious data. But with Gologin, you can browse with peace of mind. It encrypts your traffic, so even if someone manages to intercept it, they won't be able to read it. It's like putting your data in a secret code that only you have the key to. Plus, Gologin offers two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Section 8. Gologin to the rescue, real-world applications. So, who can benefit from Gologin? The answer might surprise you. The answer is simple: everyone. From professionals to casual users, Gologin has something to offer. Okay, maybe not everyone, but it's definitely not just for tech wizards and hackers. It's for anyone who values their online privacy and security. Marketers use it to manage multiple social media accounts and run targeted ad campaigns. Imagine being able to handle all your marketing needs from one secure platform. Researchers use it to access geo-blocked websites and gather data from different locations. This is crucial for academic and market research, allowing them to get accurate and diverse data. Travelers use it to book flights and hotels at local prices. This can save a significant amount of money, making travel more affordable and accessible. And everyday users like you and me use it to protect our privacy and browse the web anonymously. In a world where data breaches are common, this is more important than ever. So there you have it, folks. Gologin is versatile and user-friendly, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of people. Gologin, your passport to a safer, more private, and infinitely more awesome online experience. Whether you're a professional or a casual user, Gologin has got you covered. Now go forth and browse like a boss. With Gologin, the internet is yours to explore safely and securely.